Hi guys, live from DMC in Thailand, and we just got a new box from DMC Germany in here with the first, this time not prototype, but our first set of DMC Porsche bucket seats. If you remember, this is not our first venture into seats. We already done the McLaren style seats. This is only the prototype, but we can order these. These are basically ready to be made in carbon fiber. And today we're going to have a look at the DMC seats, which are modeled after the Porsche 964 and 993 RSR respectively designed, but of course made lightweight from DMC. Purely made from carbon fiber. Let's take a close look at them. Now the back is made from purely carbon fiber already, even with this first set. Beautiful here with the DMC logo and DMC original 3D hologram badge. And we kept that classical RSR look. Go over here a little bit. So we kept that classical RSR look of this star-like design, which gives actually strength to the whole structure. Now in step 2 we're also going to have the front in full carbon fiber, and you can choose to have it either covered fully by leather or as in the McLaren Senna seat. If you know how that one looks like, on the front there's like several leather pads, so you will also be able to customize these on the DMC Porsche bucket seat. Let's go to the front. Now the DMC McLaren Senna style seat, here still in the prototype, but as I mentioned earlier on, you can order it now. Both the DMC McLaren Senna style seat as well as the DMC Porsche style seat are ready for a 5-point safety belt system. Let me show them to you. So 2 points go up here, 2 points down here, and 1 in the center of your legs. This cushion, which actually will also be on the McLaren seat, can be removed, and then you have the additional safety point seat here. Let me show you this actually, so I can remove this here from the Porsche one, since this is our design. It also fits over here. Let's take a close zoom into these, what do you call them, holes that are made for the 5-point safety belt system. And go out again. In total there's 5 of them on this seat. Let me turn this around and show you the base of the seat. Of course it's also made in carbon fiber. And you see that it already comes with a rail system, which will fit most European cars. If you need a special rail system, talk to us and we can make it for you. The same system will also be applied to the McLaren seat. So guys, thank you for watching the video. You know the drill. If you liked it, please hit this video with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, it's okay to hit it with a thumbs down. In fact, I urge you to do so, and also leave a comment what you didn't like, because only then we can improve. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you next time with more content. Until then, DMC Life.